Hey, welcome to Weld.com, home of TIG time. Hi, I'm Mr. TIG, and we're at the FabTech show 2013. We do everything TIG welding, so happened to stop in a booth here called Pro Fusion. And your name is Bob Hall?
Bob Hall.
Well, Bob, I happen to notice that you've got a very sophisticated device here, so wanted to ask you about it. Okay, so Bob, I know this as an arc voltage control, and what I'm used to seeing is the arc voltage control, and I think maybe you call it an arc length control. If you have a part that you're rotating in an automatic welding process, and you don't want the tungsten to dive into this egg-shaped or oblong-shaped part, this is the device that'll sense the arc voltage and adjust it automatically. Is that correct?
That's right. You just gave a very simple, clear explanation for a complicated sensing process and sensing circuit, but that's exactly what it does. It prevents your torch from crashing into your parts, and also keeps your penetration consistent and your weld consistent all the way around this irregular shaped part.
Okay, now can this item right here be purchased separately? If somebody's got a welding system and they just want to add it to it, can they just come to you and say, hey, I'd like to purchase this?
Absolutely. It's compatible with any other TIG welding automated TIG welding system on the market.
Okay, well this is actually super fantastic because I teach a lot of TIG welding, and one of the hard parts about TIG welding is holding the torch correctly, holding the tungsten very, very close to the puddle where you're welding, and keeping it there. So Bob's got a way of doing it automatically, and I want to pan over here and show you his system because he's going to give us a little demonstration.
Okay, Wyatt, what we're going to do here is we're going to have to spread out a little bit here, but we're going to move the torch tower up, and then we're going to press a button and the torch tower is going to descend. The tungsten is going to touch the metal and instantly retract to a predetermined distance we've set up. And now we're back up to 3/8 of an inch. And what we care about is the voltage. We have it set for 11 volts right now. As soon as we strike an arc, it's going to automatically adjust itself to give us an 11 volt arc length. So we'll put this right up here, strike an arc, and now we can probably see the torch tower going up and down, following this material that's about 1/8 of an inch out around. Well, that's the process, and it'll keep doing that however many passes you want. We've also got another add-on product, a wire feeder, that you can add filler metal at the same time that you're doing this, and that's also backwards compatible with any other existing TIG system on the market.
Okay, well Bob, I really appreciate the time you've given us here, and I happen to spot this, and it's just a neat looking system. And
well, we're glad you did, and it's fully solid state, it's off the shelf, it's pretty much plug and play, so if anyone needs one, give us a call.
Okay, well that's Pro Fusion. Bob, we're going to put some show notes on here so people can contact you direct. And so thank you for being with us on TIG Time.
Thanks for doing the TIG Time and the Weld.com. It's a great job.
Well, thanks for watching TIG Time. I'm Mr. TIG.